Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily deploy a Flask app for free on render.com. First, head over to render.com, click on Get Started to create an account. You can sign in using your GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket or Google account. I have already signed in, so I am going to jump straight into my dashboard. Once you are in, you will see your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your services. To deploy our app, click on the New button and select Web Services. You will need to connect your GitHub account if you haven't already. As you can see, my repositories are listed here. I will select the test/flask, or you can say test-flask repository for this example. Render will automatically set a name for your service, but you can change it if you wish. I would let it be test-flask 1. Now, the language is correctly set to Python 3 as I have built my project using the Python language. You can choose different language which you wish for. Our app is deployed on the main branch. As you can see on the GitHub, I have deployed my project on the main branch. If you have deployed your project on any else branch, you can choose that. And I'll choose the nearest region for me. You can choose yours. Now for the most important part, the build and start commands. You should pay attention to it. Build command. This command installs all our app's dependencies. I am going to use pip install -r requirements.txt. This ensures all the packages listed in our requirements.txt file are installed. As you can see, I have a requirement.txt file within my project. This is a to-do task within your project. You need to have a requirement.txt file while you are deploying on render. Now coming on to the start command. This command runs our application. My main file is app.py. So the command is python app.py. For this project, we will use the free instance type, which is perfect for testing and personal use. And to the environmental variable part, if you have any environment variable within your project, you can mention it here. I don't have any, so I would be moving further. You can now click on advanced settings options. Now here you can see, if you want, you can add few more files into this. I don't have any, so I would be moving further. Now after confirming your settings, click deploy web services. Render will now get to work. It will clone the repositories, install the dependencies, and then deploy your app. You can follow the progress in the logs. Wait for the deployment to finish. It would basically 1 to 2 minutes to deploy your app. This time period depends on how large your project is. If you are building a small scale project, it would basically take 1 to 2 minutes. And if you are deploying a large project which would contain n number of files, it is going to take a large number of time to deploy. And there it is, our web service is live. You will see a primary URL in the logs. Let's click on it to see our deployed app. Our Flask app is now live on the web. That's how you deploy a Flask app on render. It's a fast and free way to get your projects online. In a future video, I'll show you how to connect a database. And in the databases, I am going to basically focus on MySQL workbench, that how you can deploy a project which is having a MySQL connectivity into Render. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for further.